want to fog up the lens, hon.
How am I going to fog it up?
Get cool air off that.
Hey, look at me.
It might not. It might not.
Who's in the window? Who's inside?
Jessie. Jessie.
Come on, do something, guys. You're being filmed.
That's the third time he's done it.
Well, you told him to send it that way, so now he is.
That's fine.
Give me 5.
There you go.
Look at me now.
Go ahead, keep working.
Is the dog able to get to the bathroom?
They have, yeah.
Go ahead. Go, go, go.
No, they just want to see what's going on.
Hey, boys.
Chit-chat. Shut the door. Hey, whoa, go.
Girls. Chelsea, you idiot!
Apparently they don't want to go.
Well, apparently you were told to shut the door. So where could they go but into the pen? Ellie, get moving. Come on, go over there and shovel. Laura, what are you doing? Go over there and shovel out the bike.
I'm stuck.
You're not stuck. Pick your foot up and walk.
Let me get in there.
I don't want to be in the picture.
Chit-chat.
Get the
Chipmunk.
squirrel. Get the chipmunk. Stay in there. Oh.
No, fast.
He does good. He does really good. This form is beautiful.
Yeah,
Just
thick
needs to
patty.
get a little bit more length in it. You okay?
Right here. Sit.
Oh, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine.